food colouring in it and some water. So it's blue water in some not blue water. And to see it come out at pressure, I'm going to pop the air.
Whoa! Ew! Did you
that.
expect that? It's spraying up, you see? Is it blue?
Yeah, it's blue.
Yeah, it is.
Where's the blue?
It's mostly staying in. That's pretty cool.
Can't see the blue.
It's very pale blue.
You think the whole lot's just going to come out
Look at
like
my
that?
hand. See it blue?
No?
It's blue.
Oh, okay.
See now?
Oh, yeah. Cool. Is it going high still? Oh, yeah.
Did not expect that to happen. I just thought it would be air and it'd sink.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
So is it spraying into the...
Why is it not sinking?
It's
not-
kind of cool, though.
It's not part of my hypotheses. That's exactly how the spurt in Lake Griffin happens.
That's right.
Oh, you can see some colouring on the bottom now.
On the bottom of what?
Like underneath it.
Oh, yeah.
Battery's running out.
I know.
The air conditioning's blowing it over this way.
Oh,
Oh, it's landing in your flower.
Oh, that's all right.
that'd be cool.
I'll wipe it up
If you
later.
put food colouring in the water, the flower might turn blue.
Is it still going? Oh, yeah. Way up there. Oh, look at the pressure. So you blew that up as well, or just put the water
No,
in?
just put the water in.
Wow. So what is that telling us?
Maybe I have to put some more holes in there. It'll go a bit faster. Really expecting air to come out and then just sink. Why is it still floating? It's the balloon.
You didn't expect the water to come out? Well, you didn't put any air in it. So how's air going to come out?
Oops.
Oop,
Did I do it?
oop, there it goes.
There it is. You can kind of see it.
It's going to come back up again.
Yeah. That's cool.
Oh, it's going to sit there.
You can see it kind of bulging at the top.
This is the floating, halfway up the water that you wanted to do that
Experiment.
experiment. Oh, no, is it going to float all the way up? Is it spraying still?
It's still spraying
Where?
at the pop.
How do you know it's spraying? I can't
I can see it. There we go.
Did it pop?
Maybe it's just choosing to come out of one hole. I think it would be easier to see if you came down where the water's not jiggly.
That's true. I can't see anything coming out. Where's the blue?
Has it reached the same density as the water? Because it's not really floating and not really sinking.
So where's the water coming out? You'd think that you could see
You
some
can see it on
blue.
the top, but only at a certain angle. Should I pull it out a bit?
I don't think. You remember our other experiment where the water came in and didn't come out?
Oh, oops.
I suspect.
Oh.
Oh, now you got one either side. I suspect that the tank water pressure is holding it in.
Yeah. What if I squeeze it, will it pop? Have I got my hand?
Does it feel like there's a lot of water come out? Probably at that rate, it's hardly any water come out. Now you've got holes everywhere. It's spraying all over the place.
Look under the water, you can see that.
Oh, it's spraying in your nose.
I know, so.
Oh, don't spray the camera. Oop. You
Spraying in my nose.
Why did I put them at completely different angles?
Fascinating how strong water pressure is. You wouldn't have thought that it would
No.
spray that high. Yeah.
Watch out, Miles. You're gonna
Now what are
pin.
you doing? Hoping to pop it, are you?
It's never a good thing, Miles, and a pin.
Mouse and a pin. It's like me and scissors.
How many holes did I put in it? It's really satisfying when you don't poke yourself.
Maz, you thought I couldn't do it, but I did. I parachuted onto the
Oh,
crane.
there we go.
Whoa, yeah.
It's lost all its pressure because it's...
Whoa, it's like a shower. Hey, that's pretty cool. I like that.
It's like an octopus.
Can you see it going under the water?
Not really.
Yep, it's just about finished. No food colouring. It's all still in there, is it?
I didn't put much in. Change
Well, the water is actually blue.
We changed the colour of the thing.
Yeah, we did. Surprisingly.
That's cool. I did not expect that to happen. Let's see. Listen still.
Drilling a hole in the top of
Ready?
this. Yep.
Oh, that was
That's
easy.
easy. Can you reverse it? There we go.
That was really easy.
You switch off the light.
Yeah, don't go off by itself.
Okay. So this is more aquarium.
You can see it's green.
Experience?
The last experiment we did.
Yeah. Flickering.
We just need to put just enough water in it to let it float. And get the lid. Seal it off. And pray.
Oh, we're doing it upside down. I don't think it'll stay. Ready, set, flip.
Right. Might need to add a bit more water.
So what are you hoping happens?
That it slowly leaks out.
Not good at camera.
Oh, I thought that's what you wanted to do.
Well, there we go. And again, I think it's just gonna...
Turn. It's going to flip again, I think. Yeah, oh, no, maybe not.
Well,
Oh,
can you
there's
see
something
coming
coming
There
in.
we go. Get down further.
Yeah. Here it comes. That is so beautiful.
I like how it's like twisting. It's like got a pattern to it. If you go around the other side, Ed, you might be able to see it.
And you'll be able to see my ugly face.
It's like a string. I like how it disappears at the end. It's like twisting. I wonder why.
Vortex.
I wonder how I could get the paper off the thing, off the side. Would you have to soak it?
Yeah, it'll be easier to remove once you've...
Whoa, look
Done
what
this.
we're doing. Filling
Yeah.
it with water.
Exactly.
Or filling it in water.
Might have to leave it overnight.
I love the texture of it. We left it overnight and it's leveled out. All the food colouring came out and it's clear in there. It's really dark at the bottom. It looks so cool. It hasn't displaced any water, but all the food coloring's come out of the jar and is now on the ground, or on the floor of the tank. It's all leveled out. The green is at the top and the black's at the bottom. Now that's really dark blue.
Here we are at the art gallery. You can see some beautiful sculptures. And my boys. And in front of them, Lake Burley Griffin. And in front of that, is the Caribbean. How cool is that?